Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into something truly special, an icon reborn, a classic reimagined for the modern era. The 2025 Reliant Scimitar GTE. For those who know their automotive history, the Scimitar name carries a legacy of sleek grand tourers, performance wagons, and an undeniable British charm. But what happens when you take that heritage and fuse it with cutting-edge technology, lightweight engineering, and a bold new design? Well, the result is something that will shake up the sports shooting brake segment like never before. Let's start with the design because at first glance this is undeniably a Scimitar. The long hood, the sloping roofline, and that unmistakable rear hatch, it's all there, but with a modern twist. The 2025 model refines the classic lines with sharper creases, aggressive LED lighting, and a stance that screams performance. The front features a wide grille, subtly integrated air intakes, and a set of futuristic matrix LED headlights that give it a piercing glare. Moving along the side, you'll notice a lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber body that keeps weight down while adding strength. The rear? Pure Scimitar DNA with a wraparound glass hatch, sleek taillights, and an integrated diffuser that hints at the performance lurking underneath. Speaking of performance, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Reliant Scimitar GTE is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6, pushing out an exhilarating 450 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, allowing for blisteringly quick shifts and a 0-60 mph time of just under 4 seconds. But what really makes this car special is its driving dynamics. It features an adaptive suspension system, electronic limited slip differential, and a near-perfect weight distribution, making it an absolute joy to carve through corners. For those looking for a greener option, there's also an all-electric variant. This version ditches the combustion engine in favor of a dual-motor setup, producing an astonishing 600 horsepower and instant torque delivery. With a 100-kilowatt battery pack, it boasts a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, and thanks to ultra-fast charging capabilities, you can go from 10% to 80% in just 20 minutes. Whether you choose the V6 or the EV, the new Scimitar delivers a thrilling driving experience that honors its predecessors while embracing the future. Step inside, and the cabin is a masterclass in blending retro charm with modern technology. The dashboard is driver-focused, with a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display everything from performance metrics to navigation. The center console houses a large touchscreen infotainment system, running the latest AI-powered interface that learns your driving habits and preferences. Of course, there are physical buttons where they matter: climate controls, driving modes, and a tactile start button that brings the car to life. The materials? Premium to the touch with hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum accents throughout. The seats are sculpted for comfort and support, making long drives as enjoyable as short-spirited ones. Now let's talk about the legacy. The original Scimitar GTE was a pioneer in the shooting brake segment, blending the practicality of an estate with the performance of a sports car. It was beloved by enthusiasts, and even had royal connections. Princess Anne famously owned several. The 2025 model continues that tradition, offering versatility without sacrificing excitement. The rear hatch opens to reveal a spacious cargo area, perfect for weekend getaways or carrying track day essentials. And with split folding rear seats, you get even more flexibility, proving that performance and practicality can coexist beautifully. So, where does the new Scimitar GTE fit in the modern automotive landscape? In a world dominated by SUVs and crossovers, this is a refreshing alternative for those who crave something different. It's a car for purists, for those who appreciate the art of driving, and for those who refuse to compromise on style, speed, or substance. With a limited production run and a starting price that places it squarely in the premium sports car category, this is set to become a collector's item from day one. The 2025 Reliant Scimitar GTE is more than just a revival. It's a statement. A statement that classic British performance cars still have a place in the future, that driving can still be engaging, and that heritage and innovation can go hand in hand. Whether you're drawn to its breathtaking design, exhilarating performance, or rich history, one thing is certain: this is a car that demands attention. So, what do you think? Does the new Scimitar GTE live up to its legendary name? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the hottest cars on the market. Thank